Hi, animation technology has grown massively in the last decade, and it's getting better exponentially. This means that in just another 5 or 10 years, the quality of graphics we are seeing could be light year ahead of where we are now. I mean, just look at the animation from 90s and 2000. So to stay updated on 3D animation, these are the top 3 softwares. Number 1, Maya. Maya is widely regarded as the best 3D animation software in the market. It has been used to create some of the biggest blockbuster films, including Harry Potter, South Park, and numerous animation shows. And do not forget, Maya is equally good as both 2D and 3D animation. Number 2, Blender. Blender probably the most well-known 3D animation software out there. Blender has high-quality tools at your disposal. I am talking about scaling, advanced material creation, and basic sculpting. And the best part is, it is completely free. Number 3, Unity. So Unity works majorly in the gaming industry and provides the fluid integrated game development engine for creating immersive and interactive games. This is one of the most popular game engine and was used to develop popular mobile games like Subway Surfer, Among Us, and Call of Duty's mobile, and even console games like Apex Legends, etc. Okay, so whether you are a seasoned animator, an amateur, or looking to use animation for your business, this list will help you out. Thank you.